The lion appears from nowhere. 280 feet of sand, raked smooth, gleaming under August sun. Then a section of floor rises, 4 feet square, and on it stands a Barbary lion. 300 pounds, mane full, pupils contracted to pinpoints in the sudden light. The crowd sees magic. 50,000 Romans, senators in the podium, equestrians in the Maenaeum primum, citizens above, watching an animal materialize from the ground. The crowd roars. The lion roars back. The spectacle has begun. Beneath the sand, below the trapdoors, below the timber, Quintus Haterius Tychicus stands in a corridor 8 feet wide and 7 feet tall, lit by oil lamps, the air thick with animal fear. If the lost mechanical systems hidden beneath the Colosseum's arena floor fascinate you, subscribe now. What this engineer built underground made 50,000 Romans believe in magic. The hypogeum, 2 underground levels, corridors, chambers, beast cages, and the mechanisms that make spectacle possible. Everything the crowd sees emerging from the floor starts here, in the dark.
Lift 7. Reset for the next sequence. Platform down, trapdoor closed, cage reloaded. 4 minutes before the next cue.
The arena floor, 280 by 177 feet. Beneath, 36 trapdoors in a grid, each covering a lift platform. Counterweighted, heavy enough to rest at minimum, light enough to be raised by capstan teams when the weight releases. Simple in principle, devastatingly complex in practice. 36 independent lifts, each requiring precise timing. 4 main corridors connected by cross passages, beast cages along outer walls, iron gates, stone floors, drains, capstan rooms at each shaft, 4 to 8 slaves per windlass. Tychicus designed this, not the Colosseum, the hypogeum mechanisms. 25 years of engineering producing spectacle from below ground. The lift mechanism, 4 by 4 foot wooden platform, iron strapped, suspended by 4 ropes through pulleys. Ropes converge beneath and wrap around a capstan, vertical drum turned by horizontal bars. The counterweight, a stone block at 3/4 loaded platform weight. When released, it drops, pulling the platform upward. The capstan team lifts only the differential, approximately 150 pounds, instead of a 300-pound lion plus structure. The trapdoor, hinged panels, spring-loaded catches releasing under upward pressure. Platform rises, contacts panels, catches release, panels swing open. Platform continues flush with arena floor.
Three feet per second. That's the speed. Too fast equals panicked lion on a moving platform equals dead beast handler. Too slow equals audience sees the mechanism, the platform rising like dinner being served. 3 feet per second. Dark to light in 2.5 seconds. Fast enough for surprise, slow enough for control.
The timing between lifts equals Tychicus's orchestration. Each independent, but the show requires coordination. Animals in sequence, scenery between acts, trapdoors opening in patterns creating a living landscape from the ground. For the opening games, 100 days of spectacle. Tychicus designed sequences with 12 lifts simultaneously, 12 platforms in choreographed pattern, 12 trapdoors in sequence, 12 animals across the arena in 30 seconds. Scenery lifts. Largest, 8-foot platforms with painted wooden flats. Hinged to fold during ascent, unfold at surface. Trees that grow from nothing, mountains that rise from sand. Beautiful. The word sits in the lamplight like a coin on a grave. The mechanism is beautiful. What it delivers is not. Night rehearsal. Colosseum empty. 50,000 seats in darkness. Arena lit by torches. Below, full staff. Beast handlers, capstan teams, signal runners. Tychicus at the coordination platform. This sequence. Act 1 of Opening Day Venatio. 12 lifts, 8 seconds apart. Gazelles, prey. Wolves, predators. Lions, apex. Animals emerge in a wave. The arena becoming a compressed savanna in under 2 minutes. Signal horns. 2 shorts equals engage counterweight. 1 long equals release. Pattern travels down the corridor. Lift 1, then 2 at plus 8 seconds, then 3. First horn. Lift 1, capstan turns. Counterweight drops, platform rises. Trapdoor opens. Empty platform, no animals for rehearsal. Station 1, red to green. 8 seconds. Lift 2, green. 8. Lift 3, green. 12 lifts in 96 seconds. Each platform smooth. Each trapdoor opening and closing. Each team on mark. Tychicus allows himself a moment. The system works. 4 years design, 2 construction, 6 months testing. The largest mechanical system in the Roman world, functioning beneath 10,000 tons of stone.
Run the scenery sequence.
Painted forests emerge, flats unfolding like paper flowers, catches releasing panels. In 30 seconds, artificial trees, painted rock, a fabric pool for the aquatic hunt. Then the animals. Not planned, but Rufus brought a young lioness to test the cage to platform transition. 2 years old, captured in North Africa 4 months ago. The lioness enters. Gate drops, horn sounds, capstan turns, platform rises. In 2.5 seconds, darkness to torchlight. Arena, vast, empty, sand and stone. Her pupils dilate, ears flatten. She crouches and snarls at the space she's been delivered into.
Stay calm, Rufus. I am. She's just anxious.
Opening day. Colosseum full. Retractable valerium providing shade. Perfume sprayed to mask blood. Tychicus is below. He cannot see the arena. Corridors, signal lamps, capstan thuds. He runs the show like a conductor in a pit. Musicians invisible. Instruments made of rope and counterweight. First sequence, Morning Venatio. 24 lifts in 3 waves. Forest scenery plus small game to predators to main event. Lions, bears, a rhinoceros. Every sequence runs perfectly. Lifts on timing, trapdoors clean, scenery unfolds, animals emerge blinking into sun and sand. The crowd, 50,000 voices, explodes at each appearance. The muffled roar reaching the hypogeum through Tychicus's feet. 5,000 animals will die during the opening games. 100 days. Lions, bears, elephants, crocodiles. They arrive through Tychicus's lifts. They die above. Tychicus monitors mechanisms, not shows. Capstan reports, signal lamps, reset times, engineering, not his domain above. Except it is. Every animal that materializes from the ground, the surprise, the gasp of 50,000, exists because of his mechanisms. Without lifts, animals walk through gates. Without trapdoors, stagehands carry scenery. Without surprise, the show is just killing.
The engineering was separate. I built mechanisms, but the mechanism I is the spectator.
The universe does not comment. Capstans turn, lifts rise, trapdoors open. The mechanism performs. Beautiful, precise, indifferent. A lion or a stage prop, a condemned prisoner or a painted tree. The mechanism doesn't choose, it lifts. In a universe that doesn't care, building beautifully is its own answer. The mechanism is beautiful. What it serves is not. Tychicus stands between the two, builder of a machine that is neither good nor evil, but perfect, and carries the weight the universe refuses.